guys, it's Allison.
Hey, it's Erica.
And today we have a special delivery, our new fall flower-powered collection. We're going to do some unboxing. So we have our mailer here full of the goodies, so we're going to dive right in. Alrighty, first up we have our creaseless concealer. So this is actually the original Maracuja concealer that you guys love and adore, but we repackaged it so it's much easier to use. So it has this new doe foot. That gives you the perfect amount of product every time. Super hydrating, feels really luxurious under the eyes. It's kind of like an eye cream and a concealer. So nice.
Up next, we have the Maracuja Gold Oil. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I use it every night, and the fact that there's gold in it, I'm gonna feel like a golden goddess.
It looks so pretty on your vanity or like in your skincare cabinet because of the gold. You feel pretty bougie.
So this has everything that you already love about our Maracuja oil. It's just in limited edition packaging, so get it while it's hot.
Get it while it's hot.
While I'm on the topic of Maracuja oil, we have our new Maracuja Balm. It's super hydrating, and you can use this at night on any dry patches.
Those gold flakes.
Look at these gold flakes. Before you go to bed. It's like amazing on the skin to wear as a mask as a whole.
Alright, so I'm super excited for this next guy. It's our Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette. Look at this packaging. It is so fun. And inside are 11 shades. You get a highlight in the middle. And they're super pigmented. It's our same Amazonian clay formula that you guys love. This actually looks amazing on Erica, so I'm going to have her try it on for you. And these shadows are very blendable, and you can make so many looks out of this. But Erica's just swiping one shade all over the lid, which is so pretty. Wow.
I already have an eye look.
Done. Alright, so next up we have our Pretty Things and Fairy Wings brush set. You get 5 brushes, and what's amazing about our brushes is they're always vegan and cruelty-free. And on the other side, there's a star, which you can use as a stencil to draw a star. You can help yourself with your winged liner if you need. Feel these brushes, feel how soft they are.
No way.
Yeah. Super, super soft. So there's 5 brushes in here, 4 for the face and 1 eyeshadow.
Another iconic product is our Lights Camera Lashes. Same formula, different packaging. I'm wearing this right now. It's my go-to. So the fact that it has this cute little keychain and pink packaging, what's not to love? Cute.
Alright, next is a product that I'm super excited about because I love our Tarte Double Take eyeliner in black. So we made it in a brown formula. So if you're not familiar with our original Tarte Double Take in black, it is a double-ended liner. So you have a pencil on one side and then a liquid on the other. And I love this little star charm. It's like the freaking cutest ever. Alright, so I hope you guys had fun with us today doing some unboxing. We can't wait for you guys to get yours in the mail.
And don't forget to use the hashtag FlowerPower so we can see all of your looks.
Thanks for watching. Till next time.